Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of carpet cleaning. Let's face it, professional carpet cleaning services can be costly. Today I'm going to be testing out the RoboGem carpet cleaner. This is the carpet we will be cleaning. To start off, I'm going to be giving this carpet a very quick vacuum with the Dyson V11. Already there is a difference in the carpets. As usual, the Dyson doesn't fail to impress with the yield of dirt it pulls out of my carpets. Wow, have a look at that. Just yuck. So this is the RoboGem carpet cleaner. The tank has been filled up and all is ready to go. Straight away I noticed the machine does an excellent job of brushing and cleaning liquid into the carpet. When it came to drawing out the liquid of the carpet in this machine seems to struggle, as if there's not enough suction. I found myself having to press gently down on the front of the machine to help pull the liquid out from the carpet, and it did really help. So pretty much wrapping up this room, and all is left to leave and let dry. Having a look at the amounts of liquid that had been pulled from the carpet was pretty disappointing, as you can imagine that the rest of this liquid that looks like this is still sitting in the carpet. It's pretty crazy how much dirt carpets actually hold. So here you have the end result of the room, and I would say this machine did an average job, and if I had to rate it, I would give it a 3 out of 10. I hope this video helped you, and please like and subscribe to my channel for all sorts of DIY and cleaning videos. Thanks for watching.